Want to learn how to get logged out of your Twitter apps account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now tap on this profile icon on the top left corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy, Evolve Help Center. Tap on Account on the top. Scroll down. On the bottom, you can see an option of Logout. Tap on Logout. If you're sure you want to get logged out, you still can see that logging out will remove all Twitter data from this device. Tap on OK on the right corner. So you can see that just by doing it, you have been logged out of your Twitter account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.